Today we're checking out this USB-C and power adapter that was sent for my review, and this is great because it is a 20-watt USB-C charger, which means you'll be able to fast charge pretty much any of the newer devices, whether they be Android or iOS or iPhones, right? That's a great thing because if your device is at 0% with this baby, you'll be able to do it all the way to half, so 50% in literally under 30 minutes, which is great. The cable itself, I like the way how rugged it actually feels. It's not flimsy at all, so it's going to last a little bit longer, obviously, than those flimsier type of cables. It's about 3 feet in length. So it's not too long to be like always like bundled up in your bag or maybe on your desk. It'll be very easy to kind of like do some cable management on your desk or maybe on your nightside table. So that's a really nice plus. And then you've got the nice block that they do provide you with it. It only has one USB-C output right here, and then there you go, you're good to go with that 20 watts of power. That's really, really cool. And the cable itself, so let's pretend I'm not going to be using this and I just want to use it maybe between a hard drive that's USB-C and my computer. This also will do data transfer, so high-speed data transfer with your USB-C cable. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 type of cable type of deal. Really nice and sturdy. Really love the way it looks, but especially love how fast it not only charges but does file transfers. They're great.